Hi, this is Noah. I'm going to review a Black& Decker Start-It jump starter. This is charged with 12 volt DC. I already took it apart. It came with a, I guess this is external power source for something. I guess this is fused. I have it in the off position. I got this actually for free. Somebody said it was broken, but it looked like it was like brand new. So here we go. Take a look at it. So it's just basically a typical battery you'll see like in a gas lawnmower, like a riding lawnmower, or like a safety light sort of thing. It kind of has like a wetness to it, so I think it might be gone. I'm currently charging it. It takes like, I read the instruction, it takes like 40 hours to charge this, which is kind of ridiculous. So it's relatively simple. Circuit board. Circuit board's probably power distribution and trickle charging. Super slow trickle charging. Here is the outlet or inlet, whatever, for this, and there is external one for charging this battery. So the switch to turn it on once you hook it up to the battery to get this thing working. It does have a flashlight thing on the front. So, well, if this thing doesn't work, I can bring this to like a car shop and trade it in because it's a lead acid, like a whatever. But so I'll probably get like maybe $8 to $12 and then store credit and buy some oil for my car. Some copper here. See, here's the jumpers, and more copper here. And, you know, circuit boards, it's a really simple thing. It's not complicated. I'm not a big fan of Black & Decker. It's very consumer based, and I don't know if this was even used or just never worked. Because I bought, when I first started, some Black & Decker, and the batteries were never great on them. So we'll see if this works. This will be part one of the video. I'll do another video once this charges in 40 hours, or my house burns down, one or the other. So, but it has some chunky looking copper. So I hope it doesn't go to scrap. I always wanted one of these. I could always just go to a hardware store and get another battery like this 12 volt battery. How many? It is a 12 volt 9 amp hours. So, I mean, I can go to Menards and get one of these if I wanted to. I don't know. There's just a lot of these available. So, but yeah, we'll see. So look out for video 2 coming out soon, and we'll test it with the multimeter. I don't have a dead battery to charge, so I mean on my car, so we'll see. This is just for safety. Thank you, and keep on watching, and bye.